Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through repeated string, which is a problem under implementation of algorithm on HackerRank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. Okay, so in this problem statement, we are giving as input a string with a number of characters, and then we are giving another input and a number n, which represent a given size. And then what we are supposed to do is that we are supposed to create another string, which is this string repeated infinite. And then from this string repeated infinite time, we are supposed to cut the n first digit. And with the n first digit, we are supposed to count the number of a that appears in that first 10 digit. Let us take this one for instance. We can see that this is an example of the, if I take this in A, B, C, A, C, I can add another A, B, C, A, C. I can be adding those things infinitely. And then by adding those, I can take the first 10 elements, and those first 10 elements will represent my string where I need to find the number of A. Now, you can ask yourself, you can just loop and you can just perform a loop and add those elements and at the end count. But we have a constraint here. N is actually less or equal to 10 power 12. So if you do that, you may find yourself in time limit exceeded. That is why you should find a way to make use of the fact that in the string we have a certain number of characters which is actually repeat the infinite number of times. And how can we achieve that? So let us take this one for instance. In fact, let me take this example for instance. I have the same string. I will take g is equal to 11, and then what I will do first is that I will try to make g with this approach. So I will say, okay, to form g with 11 character, to form the string with 11 character, how many occurrence of the complete string do I need? 2. And then when I will have the complete value, 2 complete value, how many character do I need from the substring for it to reach 11? This is 1, because the size here is 5. So if I have 5 times 2 plus 1, I will have 11. So given this, you are able to say, okay, I'm going to find the number of A in the string. I'm going to time it times 2 plus the number of A in the second substring. So that is globally the approach you are going to use to solve the problem. Now, how am I going to achieve those elements? So basically, to have this element is actually the int division. If I make 11 divided by 5, it will give me 2, the int division. And then to have this is the modulo operator. So given that, our approach will look like this. So what we are going to do is that we are going to perform the int division. That will give us this value. And then with the int division, we are going to create a ccount function that is actually counting the number of A in our string. And plus, we are going to count again the number of occurrence the number of occurrence of A. This is our ccount in the substring. The substring is actually, like I said in the beginning, n modulo s.size. So let us see how the ccount function will look like. The ccount function is just this, like you just moving from the first to the end and you count the number of occurrence of A. So let us run this and see what it gives. We have a congratulations. Let us submit. Everything green. We have a congratulations. So this is my approach of solving this. If you have another approach that you think is interesting to share, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section. I will be really happy to respond to you. See you on the next video. Ciao.